Now here we want to remember, we want to distribute the sign and the number. So we have -4 in front of the expression negative x plus 5. We want to make sure we're going to multiply -4 times both the terms inside the parentheses. We're still going to keep that plus sign in the middle. I'm going to put that first now. This plus is here. Now -4 times -x, that's going to look like this, -4 -x. And then, -4 times 5, so -4 times 5. Now notice I'm just putting parentheses around everything just to kind of keep an eye on the signs here. In this first example, we have the -4 times -x. Ooh, two negatives multiplied become positives because of the double dagger method. So we're going to have 4x here, and then, -4 times 5, that's plus -20. Now remember, most teachers don't like to see two operation symbols in a row like a plus and a minus. That simplifies to a minus, so it's going to become 4x minus 20 in our answer. Okay, let's do it again with -7 times quantity x plus 2. -7 is going to multiply by x. That'll be -7 times x. Keep that positive sign, or basically the plus sign, between the two expressions, and then, the two terms. -7 times 2, that's going to look like this. And I'm just writing it out longhand. A lot of you guys could probably skip the intermediate steps I'm taking here. Just again, be careful of the signs. -7 times x, that's going to become -7x. That's a plus and a minus, so I'm just going to simplify that to a minus sign here. And then 7 times 2 is 14. So we have -7x minus 14 is the answer there. Last one, we have -13 times the quantity -2 minus x. I'm going to put the minus sign here in the middle just as it is here, just so you know where everything's coming from. And then we have -13 times -2 at the beginning, and then -13 times x at the end. And that's, look, a negative times a negative here, -13 times -2. First, I'm going to deal with the signs. Negative times a negative, double dagger becomes a positive, so we're going to go whoosh, whoosh. So that's going to become 26. Again, minus a negative, double dagger, that's going to be plus 13x. So you have 26 plus 13x is our answer. Just, a little point I want to make here. Most teachers nowadays are fine with 26 plus 13x. Old school, they might be, so they might say, always put the variable expression first. So maybe a more preferred method is writing it as 13x plus 26. Just keep in mind, whatever your instructor says goes. So, most teachers are probably cool with version A, but some teachers are going to be very strict and say, no, always a variable term first. So they're going to prefer B. Basically opt for whatever your teacher approves of. Keep that in mind. Your teacher's like your boss, for good or bad. Just keep it in the form that they like so you get those points. Okay, good luck, people.